Hi, I am Deepika Chabra. I hail from a very beautiful city, Sri Ganganagar of Rajasthan, and I'm 47-year-old. As I already mentioned, that I am a life coach, and I have been running my institute, International Mantra, for 20 years. So I'm teaching a lot of things to my students, like people who are under depression, people who are on the verge of suicide. I'm helping them to come out of it. Even I'm giving the training or for interview also. So one of the student, I was preparing student for some beauty pageant, and then she was asking me so many questions, and I said, wow, that's really beautiful. These questions are great. So she said, ma'am, you also can be part of these pageants. So I asked her, no, I am short-heighted, so I don't think so that I can be part of it. She said, no, ma'am, you can. There are so many pageants who are doing that. So then I started searching, I guess. Then I got to know. And the starting of that ad is that appearance doesn't matter. Though I think that I have that thing in me, and God has given me this gift that I get to know about the personality I meet. And I really would love to invent such kind of thing where I can understand what people are going through, and I can help them to be confident. This is actually my job as well, so I'm very good at it too. And one more thing, which can instantly heal people who are undergoing some depression and such things. So the thing which I want to invent is to heal someone instantly. So my family is access, actually. My family is everything for me. Without them, I'm nothing. So I would say that they are the one who makes me believe that life is beautiful. And if you are asking me that ups and downs I've been through, I would say that these are the things which are making me stronger today. So let's talk about the hurdles, the problems I faced and I overcame. In my introduction video, I have shared that there were so many things in my life, like my son is 20-year-old, my institute is 19-year-old, and my father-in-law was suffering from dementia, my mother-in-law was suffering from cancer. So there were several responsibilities I had to discharge, and fortunately, with my management skills, with my communication, I discharged all the responsibilities very well. So, but I never quit. People call me, my students call me Mantra Ma. My people around me call me Deepika, but I call me Aparajita, this name always helps me to be invincible. And I overcame these problems with the help of my skills, with the help of my never say die attitude. As I told you that people call me Mantra Ma. My family of my students is more than 80,000 students, and they love me. I just want to say to everybody, and I want to recite a poem in that, which I always convey this message to my all people around me. This is, मैं हूँ, कोई भीड़ नहीं. मैं वर्तमान हूँ, मैं पास्ट नहीं. मैं दो पल की हस्ती हूँ, मैं परमानेंट नहीं. मैं हूँ, कोई भीड़ नहीं. मीन्स जो भी आप हैं, आप वही हैं, और आपको आप ही रहना है. आप तब इम्प्योर हो जाते हो जब आप किसी के लिए अपना वर्जन बदल देते हो, या किसी को देखकर आप डर जाते हो. आप प्योर मैं होते हो. जो आप हो, आप उसी को ही रिफ्लेक्ट करते हो. इसीलिए आप जो भी हो ना, आप उसी को ही बेस्ट बनाओ, बेस्ट वर्जन बनो. और जो नेगेटिव थिंग्स हैं, यदि वो बदलने वाली हैं तो बदलो, और यदि बदलने वाली नहीं है तो एक्सेप्ट दैट एंड ग्रो. क्योंकि मैं हूँ, इट मीन्स आप हो, कोई भीड़ नहीं. Let me share. Recently it happened with me. My student, I call my student Mantrite. So one of my student sent me a gift of shoes. And I told her I don't want to have a gift which can be bought by money. I want that gift which cannot be bought by money, right? So, and people, like my students love me, but she sent me that shoes. It's not enough, because materialistic things they are not important for me. But the message she has written, शी हैज़ रिटन, मैम मैं आपको ऐसा गिफ्ट देना चाहती थी जो हर पल आपके पैरों के नज़दीक रहे और मुझे ब्लेसिंग्स मिलती रहें. So that memory recently happened. So I'm able to tell you that thing as well. So this is the thing which makes me smile. And there are a lot of other memories also. And I'm the person who believes in present moment. So I always keep collecting pink pearl by making them beautiful. I believe that our personality is like that. There are so many dimensions in our personality. Whenever we meet people, whenever we go out, whenever we do those things which actually you were not into it earlier, it opens a lot of windows of your personality. It opens a lot of dimensions which have not been unveiled yet. So I'm here today to unveil a lot of those things which actually I have not explored yet. So that's the reason I am here today, that I'm going to learn from a lot of people. I'm going to learn from Binita ma'am. I'm going to, yes, I have spoken my introduction in the very beginning. I have spoken over there that मैं हूँ एक ऐसी कृति जिसमें भरने हैं अभी बहुत से रंग, जो कर रही पूर्ण सत्य की तलाश. तो वो जो पर्सन होता है ना, लाइक ऐसी कृति हूँ जिसमें बहुत से रंग भरने हैं. तो आई एम हियर टू फिल द लॉट ऑफ कलर्स इन मी. आई विल गेट इमोशनल. They are coming tomorrow. Okay, so so hi family. I'm sure that you will be feeling proud on me that I'm in front of you today, and I really love everyone. You are pillar of my strength. You are the one who made me today, Deepika Chhabra. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.